Those of you that know me know that I have had to replace 2 of the handles on my Toyota Matrix. I have been procrastinating on replacing my 3rd. I've been driving around with it looking kind of like this. I've been for a few months. So today I'm replacing it. So the first thing I gotta do here is take this dude off. There is a another little dude inside here, and then one back here. So here we go. So I got this screw taken out, took the little handle off, put the screw in there so I wouldn't lose it. I got this guy out, but I have no idea how anyone expects anybody to be able to get into this little motherfucker. I've been trying with a flathead, and I'm just damaging it. So I went inside and got a knife. Let's see if I can get in here. There we go. Yay! So I've got the screw out from that part, and then the little handle. I'm just keeping some parts in here to stay organized. Now I gotta get this little bitch out of here. So I'm gonna go in with a flathead, see if I can get it to pop out. Okay, I got it. Gotta disconnect this little dude. Got it. Gotta get this bitch off. There's spiderwebs. I'm a little scared. Got it. Now I gotta take that panel off. I knew this side was broken previously, but now I'm a little scared. Oh shit. Sick. Gotta take this little guy off. You can see the screw on the inside. So I don't actually have the right size of that, like, same shape of screwdriver, so I'm using a flathead. But you know, we be crazy. Cool. And then that little guy stays in place because there's these little plastic things holding it so it doesn't fall, which is amazing. After loosening that bolt, you can get this little dude out of here. Cool. Okay, gonna peel this back now. This guy. That's the next move. Alright, I loosened the inside bolt. Apparently this should just come right out. Hey. Ooh, don't close, don't close, don't close. Don't let your door close. Fuck. The handle. Boink. With the lock cover. This is supposed to be here, I guess. So, new handle. Put that bitch in that side. And slide it over. Awesome. Look at me accomplishing things, guys. Now I gotta tighten that beezy again. Get the handle where it's supposed to be and keep it there. Gotta put the locking mechanism back in. Let's do it. That's better. Put the flap back on. It's called a grommet. Put it the flap. We're sticking all this stuff backwards. Bam. Gotta put the door panel back on. Okay, we did it. Gotta get this guy back on there. This guy too. Awesome. This little dude. Gonna hand tighten it first, I guess. Actually, is it backwards? No, it's not. Why is it not fitting very well? This this door's fucked up. Close this hatch. Let's get that little guy on there so it looks cute and cohesive. Hey. Yeah, that's a handle. That's a handle. It works. I did. Thanks for following on my journey of fixing my car handle. If I can do it, you can too, because I am not a car person at all. So, you got this.